Struggle is real. Mama ko, mama ko, mama mo, mama ko, mama mo. Si Carla. Ang babaeng reckless ng taon.
A few moments later.
Welcome back to my channel. So guys, I would like to say thank you for all the comments, messages from IG, Messenger, Viber as well. Super duper na-appreciate ko lahat. And gusto ko lang din mag-thank you sa 60,000 subscribers. Yeah, 60. Feeling ka, girl. And for this episode, I will be sharing with you guys how I make my DIY tops, my DIY outfits, OOTD. And it's important kasi guys, because we're in pandemic and most of us, some of us, nagtitipid, tight na tight yung budget, hindi natin afford bumili ng mga branded na damit. Guys, there's always a solution in everything.
Wow.
All we need to do is to recreate, to explore, to recreate our old clothes into a fashionable one. And without further ado, let's get sewing. Without further ado, let's get sewing. So we're all set now, and the materials that I'm going to use are the following. I have my scissors, of course. I have my sewing kit. Got this from Miniso. It has a complete package because it's the different colors of thread, a tape measure and a needle, and don't forget the elastic. Ano yung other terms? Elastic. Garter and crayons. Guys, hindi dapat ganyan ka-Jurassic or anything na just to mark up your clothes. So, disclaimer lang, sewing is all about try and error. So, dapat may patience ka kasi there are times talaga na magkakamali ka ng tahi, ulit ka. So, just keep going. For DIY number one, all we need here is t-shirt na di na natin ginagamit. So, make it flat. Just like cute. And make sure, before natin siya i-cut, guys, nasukat na natin siya sa desired measurement natin. So, ako, 20 cm. And lagi ako nag-a-add ng 1 inch. Why we need to add an allowance? Kasi, if masikip yung natahinan natin, if masikip yung pagkakatahi niya, pwede pa natin siyang i-adjust. Unlike dun sa saktong-sakto, diba? Always leave an allowance at least 1 inch. And then, cut na natin siya. After that, make sure na natahinan natin siya up and down para mawala yung excess trimmings at para maging tube. And yung leftover na shirt kanina, ginawa ko siya into 4 straps. So, bahala na kayo guys. So, for me, mas maganda, mas mahaba para marami siyang style na magawa. And sa pagtatahi lang, kailangan lang naman dyan is maging matibay and maayos yung pagtatahi mo. And voila! Isa ka ng miyembro ng Blackpink! So for our DIY number 2, I am going to show you guys how this sweater turned into a fashionable cardigan. So all we need here is to measure the desired sizes, so it may vary sa sizes natin. So for me, same lang din siya nung sa tube ko kanina. And then cut it to make it a tube. So after cutting, I am going to fold it an inch and sew it to get rid the excess trimmings. And then a while ago, sa pagtatahe, just make sure na matibay and maging maganda yung pagkakatahe para maganda yung kalabasan ng damit. And for the cardigan, I am going to cut it in the middle. So dito guys, pwede nyong lagyan siya ng any design. So ako, ang gusto ko lang dito is lagyan lang siya ng botones sa taas para na isasara ko siya if gusto ko. And meron ka ng diwalipang cardigan. So here naman, I am going to show you how this polo shirt turned into a pop sleeve top or a vintage top. So first of all, I'm removing the pocket from the shirt kasi di na natin siya kailangan. And make sure nyo lang guys na di ma-damage yung shirt, kaya be careful sa pag-remove. Once the pocket removed, I am going to measure my desired size into a half square and then cut it. So I recommend guys na fabric scissors yung gamitin para maganda yung cutting. Pero kung wala naman, just the available scissors that you have sa bahay nyo. And after cutting, I am going to fold an inch and sew it as a tunnel para sa ating elastic just to pass through. And that's it guys! Meron na tayong vintage top. There you have it guys. I hope this video helps you to create something that you want, and may this pandemic bring out the best in everyone and the spirit of sharing, praying, helping be more visible. I guess that's all for this episode. Always remember, in a world where you can be anything, be. See you on our next vlog.